coming for the throne. I'm coming for the throne.
Hello everybody. Welcome, it's me in person again. Hope you're all liking the videos. We've got Arabic, I got French, and Spanish. I got loads more to do. It's just finding the time to do them, so I'm trying to do like one a day. But what this is for, this is a quick test of what I've done to the bike. I've changed the rear sprocket. Couldn't get what I wanted, so basically I've got the bike normally has a 14 tooth on the front and a 42 tooth on the rear with a 114 link 520 chain. But I just wanted to drop the revs a little bit. Couldn't get a 50 tooth front sprocket, so I decided to get 40 tooth rear sprocket instead of a 42 tooth rear sprocket. The 40 tooth is what's generally on the S250 Zontes Phantom, but fits this bike. So I've gone with that, so I put it on, and normally I'm doing in 6th gear 50 at 5,000 revs, 60 at 6,000 revs. I'm doing 50 at 4,500 instead of 5,000, so I dropped the revs by 500 RPM for cruising, which is good. I'm doing what, 50 miles an hour now at 4,500 revs. It would normally be 5,000 revs, so that's good. So that'll give me a little bit more miles per gallon and 500 RPM less when I'm doing 60 on the motorway, etc. This is a 40 limit coming up now. Generally I'll have gone way back as well. I'll jump off the bike and show you in a minute. But yes, so yeah, it's cool. I'm doing 44 under 4,000 RPM. So I drop it down to 40 miles an hour. Okay, 8 to 9, 40 miles an hour. That's 3,400, 500 RPM. Yeah, so it's about 500 RPM drop. That's brilliant. So on more journeys I'll have better mile per gallon and less stress on the engine. So that's cool. So anybody who wants to who's got this bike, I'll let you know in a second. I'll jump off and show you and explain, etc. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I'm back again now. I've stopped, so I'm going to show you the 40 tooth rear sprocket. It's off a Zontes S250, like I say, but it just fit 5 holes. It's not as large, obviously, because I cut it down a little bit. So what I have found is, because it's a brand new chain, 114 link, 114 link chain. So I'm getting it all wrong, aren't I? 114 link chain. Then yeah, the chain's a little bit, it needs a couple of links out really, because I'm right back now on my, to make the chain tight, because it's not as high, isn't this rear sprocket? So I'm going to have to take a couple of links out of the chain, and I can bring the brand new chain forward again. So I've got some play with it, otherwise I'll end up with no play in the chain when the chain decides to, come on you, what are you doing on your bike? Oh, you sod, you've got all. Where are you gone? Are you there? Alright, let's get rid of you. Not get rid of you, I mean, let's put you somewhere where you can live properly. Where you gone again? What's that boy? I suppose if I shake my arm he's going to go in here. Yeah, he's going down there. Cool. Right, yeah, so what I would suggest to do is to get yourself a 112 link brand new chain if you're putting a brand new sprocket on at back as well, or with a 40 teeth rather than 42 teeth. You lose 500 RPM on, it's not lost any of its give in respect of its torque and its ability to move, its power, etc., but it's dropped the revs at 500 RPM, so that's cool. So it'd be better for distance, running, etc. So yeah, I just got to take a couple of things out of a brand new chain, otherwise I've got no more backing up to do. But that's it really. Yep, so cool, 40 tooth rear chain off a Zontes S250 Phantom. Fits the X310 and the TZ10, etc, etc. Twin sided swing arm version. So cool, enjoy. It's nice. I'm going out for a little ride now. Been out for one for ages. Right, see you all later. Bye bye.